As we are all here today thinking what are some of the ways to become a much better coach and a much better trainer, here are 3 things that we absolutely need to have. Because once we have these 3 things, it certainly helps us to level up our skills as a coach, as a trainer, as someone who is guiding someone to be better, whether it's in public speaking, whether it's in yoga, whether it's in any other area. And these are the 3 things. The first one would be in terms of engagement. Now, what exactly is engagement? Engagement refers to the ability to engage the attention of whoever that you are training. Could be your students, they could be adult learners, but these are the individuals where we want to make sure that we grab their interest first, because if they're not interested, they probably won't even go further and they want to listen to you some more, yes? So grabbing their attention, it's by way of engagement, knowing what are their pain points, knowing exactly what makes them feel pleasure. What's the kind of pleasure points as well? The second thing that we always look out for is retention. So as trainers, as coaches ourselves, we want to make sure that whatever techniques and whatever strategies that we share with them, that they are able to remember. So whether it's making use of certain things to help them remember better, using acronyms, making use of visual aids, these are essential tools that we need to have as trainers as well. And then the final one is application. Something that is able to prompt the application of our participants. Something that gives them a call for action. Something that makes them, okay, this is something that I want to do. This is something that I can do. These are the steps that I can take straight away, immediately after I finish with the training with you. So these 3 things will be very, very helpful, and I would say they are the 3 core ingredients for any trainer.